What if I told you that your phone is both your biggest enemy and your greatest opportunity? It's right there in your hand. You spend hours scrolling, watching, and waiting for something to change, but it never does. Does that sound familiar? We all live in a world where success is just one click away. But here's the trick: your phone is not the problem. You are. You're giving your time, your attention, your life to something that doesn't give back. But what if you flip the script? What if you used your phone to change your life instead of watching others live theirs? What if this story helped you take back control? Because you can live the life you dream of, but only if you stop scrolling and start doing. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how. Stay with us. Let's change this together. He wakes up again. The alarm rings. He whispers, just 5 minutes. The screen lights his face. He scrolls, news, videos, faces. Everyone looks busy. Everyone looks alive. He lies still. Time moves. His dream waits. On the way to work, he promises again. Tonight I'll start. No phone. I'll build my future. He says it every day. He believes it. But when night comes, he feels tired. He opens his phone, only for a moment, and the night disappears. When he was younger, he had a dream to create something real. He used to stay up late, draw plans, write ideas. He said, one day I'll make it happen. But one day became someday, and someday became never. One night, his phone battery dies. The screen goes black. He sees his own face in the reflection, tired, older, empty. He whispers, where did my time go? And the silence answers, you gave it away, one scroll at a time. The next morning feels the same. The alarm rings. The phone waits. He feels the habit calling. Just 5 minutes. But this time, he doesn't touch it. He stands up. He opens his notebook. He writes one small idea, just one, but it's real. It's not the phone that kills your dream. It's the tiny choices that steal your time. You think you control the screen, but it controls the hours. Your life moves where your attention goes. Protect it, because what you give your attention to, you give your life to. The story doesn't end with a perfect plan or a big success moment. It ends with a choice. Your choice. You can keep scrolling, keep waiting for something to happen, or you can take the next step, however small, and make it real. The phone is neither good nor bad. It's the tool you use. It can be a curse or your biggest opportunity. You decide what you give your attention to, and when you start controlling that, everything else follows. If you've learned something today, stay with us. At Storia, we don't just tell stories. We teach you to think and grow through the stories you care about. When you understand a story, you understand more than just the words. You understand life, and you understand English. So, subscribe, and let's continue this journey together, one story at a time.